All right, students, on TestNav Section 2, Grade 4, Practice Items, on question 13, you will notice you have the drawing tool as well. This is a great resource to use when you see a clock. One of the testing strategies that Ms. Heichman likes to use is to draw the time and then use it to count back. So I know we stopped for lunch at 1:15. The short hand is my hour hand, and the long hand is my minute hand. And so then when I'm going to count backwards, if I need to, or count forwards, how you want to answer your problem, you might want to use a different color and count using your marker saying 5, 10, 15, or if you need to go by the hours, you can use your, whoops, let me undo that. You can make this for your hours, okay? So that's a good testing strategy with the clock. Again, you might want to practice today with question 13. Moving along, again, you have another clock. You also have here your drawing board, and here's another good way to practice when you need to see which one has 8. You might want to use the counting tool, see? So you can count, okay? Again, when you get to these questions and it says select all the correct answers, that's true for rhombus, you're going to have to make sure it bolds for the correct answer. If you just eliminate a question and it's not bolded, then that doesn't mean these are correct. They have to be bolded if these were correct. Now that's not correct. I'm just clicking for you. I believe another important question to use your spinner. You're looking for 3, 6, which can also be used for your coloring tool. So I can say this would have more than 3, 6. So I might want to use this to color in the blacks. And then I can see how many, if that was 3 out of 6, okay? All right, so again, this is a great tool to use. Keep practicing before the day of the SOL test. Number 21 is a very important one to practice. You will move the graph by pulling up the bars. And if there's not a number 11, like on N, you're going to look between 10 and 12, and you can say there's a number 11 and see my graph even stops right there. So your graph should look like this if you do this correctly, okay? And 13 is all the way in the middle between 14 and 16. Nope, that's wrong. It's between 14 and 12. That's where my friends get tricked. So I wanted to make sure that you understand how to use this graph. Good job. Let's move along. And I think we're done with this practice tools, and you can hit submit final answer. Yes, and that's what you're going to do on the day of your test. You can also go back and you can use the math tools under the right here, math practice tools, and you can start with this and try using the ruler. I like to do that. And this also shows you how you can adjust your ruler so you can rotate it. And you want to make sure it starts 0 at the beginning and then at the end. All right. So we could practice rotating the rulers. And again, that was on practice tools for mathematics. Okay. Make sure if it's asking for a centimeter reading, you use your centimeter ruler. So that's the main catch right there. And there's some great practice right here for you. And I wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions, just please let me know and I can help you through it.